Okay, this is a tutorial on how to use Smart Notebook and YouTube to record instructional videos and share them with your students. So it's especially for you, Gary. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is make sure you have your microphone plugged into the USB port of your computer and open that up just like we had it in Lentner's room the other day. And then you want to go in and go to Start All Programs and find your Smart Technologies. Open up a Smart Notebook. So I have mine here. And I would also recommend setting up your Smart Notebook with all the pages that you want. So if you click down at this plus sign here, you can make new pages or slides, if you will, and then you can put stuff like practice problems or other text or images on these pages. So you said you had a lot of documents already or stuff that you can copy and paste from. So if I have these practice problems in Word and go back to my Smart Notebook, I can just paste them right on this Smart Notebook. And so now I will have these, whoops, don't do that. I will have these to solve during my lesson, and I can do the same for all these pages. And if you ever lose this view here, remember you can always click on this paper icon here to see all of your slides at once. Okay, so in order to get the recording screen, yours is going to look a little different because I'm running a different version of Smart Notebook. But if you right click anywhere on this toolbar, so I'm right clicking and go down to Smart Recorder, okay, that's going to be the same for you. Just left click and hold it. You can see there's that plus sign, and I'm just going to drag it up to my toolbar and then let go. Click done, and you can see that that camera is there for me. Alright, so when I'm ready to record my lesson, all I do is click that and I get this box. Alright, so you want to check to make sure, click to choose the record area that you want to do. So when you click record area, you just draw the rectangle or the space that you want it to record. I'm not going to do it because I'm recording my screen already. So I'm just going to hit escape. But when you do, you'll see a red triangle or a red rectangle around the space, and that's all that's going to be recorded. So you'd want to make sure that you incorporate this screen here. Only the stuff that you want students to see. They don't need to see the toolbar stuff up here or any of the slides or anything like that. So when you're ready, you just click this red record button. Remember, the red circles always record. And then as you solve your problems, you go to your smartboard and you can use the pen up here or the pen on your board to solve all these step by step. I would say make sure you leave plenty of space here so that you can solve those problems and give yourself the room that you need. And as you speak and what you draw will be recorded. Now if you want to take a breather or gather yourself, just click the pause button. And then when you're ready to pick up again, you just click record and it'll pick up where you left off. And then when you're finished with the recording, I'll just do a test one here. So now I'm recording on two different things at once. But when you're finished, you hit the stop button, and then you'll be asked to save it where you want. I'm just going to choose the desktop, and maybe I'll call it simplifying expressions or whatever you're going to call it. So when you save it, then this will come up and it'll tell you when it's done. You can play the recording from there, or you can just click OK, and now that file is on your desktop. So now we got to upload it to YouTube. So if you are in your email, if you don't see YouTube up here on this bar, just click more and it should be one of those options. So click YouTube, and then the first time you're in there you'll have a box up here that says sign in. If you just click that, it'll automatically sign you in, and then you want to go to upload your video, and you can just drag the ones that you want. And off my screen here, you won't be able to see it, but I have my algebra one, so I'm just going to drag it from my desktop, pop it on there, and I think I chose the wrong one. Yep, I did. So I'm just going to choose the one I want from, oh my gosh, I'm going to cut this out. So I'm just going to choose the one from my desktop, drag it on over, plop it in there, and then I can title it what I want. I'm going to take off that part, the WMV. You can give a description if you want to say this is on ... You could tag it to algebra or whatever other tags you want. And if you click advanced settings, that's where you can turn off the comments and all the stuff that you don't want kids to be able to do. So once you have all that, then you can click save, or it'll save it for you. And once that video is done processing, you can take this link right here, copy it, and then paste that into your website to share it with students. Alright, so easy enough. You can do this. Let me know if you have questions. Bye.